All right, let's talk about something huge, passive income. Specifically, we're diving into how you can build it with digital products. I mean, imagine creating something just one time and then getting paid for it again and again. That's what we're unpacking today. Seriously, what if you could actually earn money while you're sleeping? Or on vacation? Or just not actively working? You put in the work up front and then a system just takes over, bringing in revenue 24/7. That's the real promise of digital products. And you know what? It's way more achievable than you probably think. So, how does this actually work? Well, it all boils down to this super simple, super powerful model: create once, sell forever. Think about it. You design a cool template, you write an ebook, or maybe you record a course. And then that's it. Customers can buy it and get it instantly, and you don't have to lift a finger after the sale. Okay, so why digital? Why not, physical stuff? The reason everyone is so hyped about digital products is because the advantages are, well, they're massive. And once you see them, you'll get why this is such a huge opportunity. Just think about it. With physical products, you've got inventory, storage, packing boxes, shipping logistics. It's a whole thing. But with digital, none of that. No warehouse, no packing tape, no post office runs. After you create it, your costs are practically zero. And someone in Australia can buy and download your product just as easily as someone next door. It's just so lean and easy to scale. So, what are the keys to making this truly passive? There are really two big ones. First, everything has to be automated. When someone clicks buy, the product gets delivered to them instantly, no questions asked. And second, you need to aim for minimal ongoing support. If you create something that's really clear, with great instructions and an FAQ, you won't be stuck answering emails all day. That's the secret sauce. Okay, I get it. You're on board. The concept is awesome. But what do you actually make? What can you sell? Well, let's go on a little tour of some of the best, most profitable ideas that are crushing it right now. First up, online courses. If there's something you know how to do, you can teach it. And people will pay good money for structured learning that gets them a result. It could be a big, in-depth course on, mastering a piece of software. Or it could be a small mini course on something fun, like how to bake amazing sourdough bread. The possibilities are endless. Now, maybe a full course feels like a lot. That's where ebooks and printables come in. We're talking digital planners, checklists, guides. This is such a great place to start because they're super cheap to make, but you can sell them to thousands of people in literally any niche. Fitness, business, hobbies, you name it. Here's a huge one: design templates. Think about it. Every small business, every creator out there is desperate to save time. So templates for things like social media posts or presentations, they're always in demand. You could literally make a pack of Canva templates one time, and people could be buying it from you for years to come. Okay, all my creative people out there, listen up. You can sell your photos, your graphics, your digital art, even fonts. The trick is to package them up into cool collections, like a set of vintage film filters for video editors. You create these little asset packs, and they can become a serious income stream. All right, now for the holy grail for a lot of people: recurring revenue. We're talking about memberships and subscriptions. Imagine a monthly template club or access to some exclusive content. This creates a steady, predictable income every single month. Talk about a game changer for your finances. And hey, let's not forget audio. It's so easy to overlook. But things like guided meditations or audio affirmations or short audio series are actually pretty simple to produce. You can sell them by themselves or bundle them with your other products to make them even more valuable. Whoa, okay, that was a lot of ideas, right? You might be thinking, great, but which one is for me? Here's the thing. It's not about jumping on whatever's popular. It's about finding what fits you. And I've got a super simple 3-step blueprint to help you figure that out. It's really this simple. Step 1. What are you good at? Seriously, what are your skills? Writing, design, teaching? Step 2. Who are you trying to help? Who's your audience and what's a problem you can solve for them? And finally, step 3. Be real with yourself about the work. Do you want something quick and low maintenance, like a template? Or are you ready to go all in on a big course? And that's it. That's the magic formula right there. When you find that sweet spot where your skills, your audience's problem, and your preferred workload all line up, boom, that's when you've got a winner. You'll create something that doesn't just sell, but that you actually feel excited to share with the world. Okay, so you've got your idea. Now for the big question. Where do you sell this thing? Picking the right platform is so important. It's how you'll automate everything and get in front of the right people. Let's check out some of the best places to do that.
So, if you're doing a course or a membership, you're going to want to look at something powerful like Teachable or Kajabi. They're built for that stuff. If you've got something simpler like an ebook or some printables, Gumroad or Payhip are fantastic, super easy to set up. And if you're selling design assets, you got to check out marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market because they already have millions of people shopping there. The whole key is just matching your product to the right platform.
All right, we've covered a ton of ground, right? The why, the what, and the where. But none of that matters if you don't actually do something with it. So let's wrap this up by boiling it all down to the most important things you need to remember. Listen, the biggest piece of advice I can give you is this. Don't get overwhelmed. Just pick one thing, one product that feels right for you. Make sure your sales and delivery are automated from day one. And then just test it out. Put it out there, see what people think, and listen to that feedback. And please, please remember that it is totally okay to start small. Your first product isn't supposed to be perfect. It just has to be done. So that brings us to the big one, the most important question of all. This was never just about learning something new. It's about taking action. So I'm asking you directly, after everything we've talked about, which digital product are you going to create first? Because that journey to earning passive income, it all starts right there with that single decision.